Hello everyone, I'm Karthik Saini, primary teacher at ACS 4, Rawatpata. Today we are going to learn EVS for class 4, chapter number 4, the story of Amrita. This story is about 300 years ago. There was a girl named Amrita who lived in the village Khijarli. This village is near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. This village got its name Khijarli because of so many trees that were Khijri trees. The Khijri trees has been associated with this village, Khijarli village. The people of that village used to care their animals and plants very much. They used to say that अगर पेड़ हैं तो हम हैं. What does that mean? Plants can survive without us, but we cannot survive without plants. So there were lot of focus on plants and animals in that village. Now Amrita, who used to get up early in the morning and went to greet the friends who were trees. The trees were her friends. Similarly, after some time, she went to greet the trees. Now she saw some strangers in that area. When she saw that the strangers are there to cut the trees, she was shocked. The king of that village had sent the strangers to cut the trees because he wanted to get some wood from the trees to build the palace. Now, seeing this, Amrita and so many people of that village hugged the trees that were about to cut. And when the strangers cut the trees, they lost their lives. So many people, including Amrita, her daughters, and the people of that village lost their lives. Seeing this, the king was very sad. Now, he ordered that now onwards there will be no cutting down of trees in that area. Also, the people of that village, which were known as Bishnois, are continuing to protect the plants and animals in that area. So children, now we will do some questions based on the story of Amrita. Now let us see some questions. We will do them in fill in the blanks form. First is dash village is near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. We all have studied the lesson. Dash village is near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. Which was the village? Khijarli village. Khijarli village is near Jodhpur in Rajasthan. Now let's see another question. Strangers came to the village to dash the trees. Why were the strangers came to the village? Strangers came to the village to cut the trees. So, cut. Let's see one more question. The wood was needed to build the dash palace. The wood was needed to build the dash palace. The palace was of kings. The king's palace. Let's see another question. The people of this area who protect the animals and plants are known as what? They are known as Bishnois. They are known as Bishnois. Let's move on to the last question of today's lesson. Many people, including Amrita, died to dash the trees. Why they all died? They all died to save the trees. Save the trees. So I hope you all learned these things in this chapter. Now we will see some more topics. So students, as we all have studied about the Khejarli village and its story, now you all know that it was named after the tree which is the Khejri tree. So let us learn about Khejri tree. So starting, it is found mainly in desert areas. Where it is found? It is found mainly in desert areas. Second, it can grow without much water. It doesn't need much water to grow. People cook and eat its fruits, beans. Its food is such that insects cannot affect it. Its wood is such that it will not be affected by insects. Animals eat the leaves of the Khejri tree, and children like you play under its shade. So students, let us now learn about a new concept which is hunting. So a new concept is hunting. As we have studied in the previous chapter about animals, that tigers were hunted for their bones and skin. So now I am talking about hunting. What actually is hunting? Hunting is the act of killing or catching wild animals the hunters kills or catch the wild animals. So let us see the reasons why the hunting take place. So let us see a question. Why do people hunt? So think, why will people hunt? There is something the people are getting. That's why they are hunting the animals. So we have to understand why are people hunting. Think, they can get food from animals, so they hunt for food. In the previous chapter, we have talked about tiger hunting. It was hunted for bones and skin. So we can write bones, skin. Sometimes we see in the newspaper and in television that some people are hunting animals just for fun, although there are rules against this, but still some people hunt it for fun. So we can give a reason like fun. So these are the reasons why do people hunt: for food, bones, skin and fun. Now we have to understand that there are some rules for hunting. Why are there rules for hunting? Think why there are rules for hunting. There are rules to save the animals. Suppose if the government has banned hunting of animals, and if we hunt an animal which is banned, then we will be punished, like we can be sent to jail, we can be fined for hunting and a lot more. So these punishments help to save the animals. So these laws are made to prevent hunting and saving the animals, because animals are an important part of our wildlife.